Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Sorry, I was trying to tie my apron. Today, I'm going to reuse a canvas that got messed up because of one of the cats jumped on it when it was drying. Got in my drying room. So, I'm just going to play with some mica powders that I got from Jdiction. I got this, they want me to do a review on, hopefully I think I really enjoy it, so I wouldn't mind being affiliated with them, which I think is what I'm doing. I'm not using the resin because I don't have enough to do this big of a canvas, but I am using their mica powders. They have, you get a whole box of them, like 24 in the set of colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. So many different ones to choose from. The ones that I'm going to use today, I'm using shimmer white. I'm going to use black. I'm going to use light blue, purple. It's kind of more like a, I don't know, it's kind of a reddish or pinkish purple. I'm going to use blueberry, and then I'm also going to use blue rose. These colors are beautiful. They got lots of shimmer in them. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's almost like it has almost like an iridescent to it. I'll try to bring you in closer with the camera so you can see it a little bit better. They're just gorgeous though. Just look at that. So pretty. I'm really excited about these mica powders. Look at that purple. So pretty. Black's got some nice shimmer to it as well. It's almost more like a titanium black. The white is gorgeous. It has lots of shimmer. It's almost like a pearlescent white. But so let's get started on this because I don't want this to get start to get thickened on me here. So I'm just going to kind of play around. Have no set mind thought. I'm just going to kind of lay it down. I have some mirrored glass that I'm probably going to use. I also have these decorative filler little blue chips with some shimmer to them that I'm going to use. I got those from Michael's.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. And I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. So you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. I was young, dumb, and broken when I met you that night. Should've known you were something that would mess with my mind. But I won't put the blame on me. You're the one to be on to see, yeah. 'Cause you can handle emotions. So you wanna talk again, but it's time to
Okay, you can kind of see that this was a fail, obviously. I should have painted the whole bottom a solid color instead of leaving it like it was. I guess I thought that the resin would be dark enough. But anyway, so I hurry up and grabbed a round that wasn't the best and just poured it all on there and then added some bling. I'll get another picture of the dried result so you can really see it. But hopefully it turns out good. I'm going to pop some more air bubbles there. That looks beautiful. Alright, so we're back for the second layer of resin. The crystals are all down and I like where they are. The placement is really perfect. So I'm just going to add some more. I'm just going to do the blue again, the two blues, the purple, and then the white. I'm going to not put the black in. I don't really see it anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and Hey everybody, I just want to add this in real quick too about these mica powders that I got from, or pigment powders from Mica Powders from Jdiction. There's some beautiful colors. I'm having a lot of fun with them. If you guys are interested in these, I will put a link in the description for them for Jdiction. I really am really happy with their mica powders. The colors are beautiful. You don't have to use a lot. A little bit goes a very long way. But you get like 25 in this little package. Or 24, sorry. 24 of them. It also came with a little stir stick and our little scoop. A little gold scoop. And yeah. But I'll put a link in the description for them as well. Very good product. I'm really pleased with them. But I do thank everybody for watching. I'll bring you down for a close-up now. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Sorry about the light, the glare from the light up above.
yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out this time. This layer looks good. When it's all done, I'll use my paint markers and draw in some lines, but I'm very happy with it. It's got lots of sparkle. I know it's hard to see on the camera, but because I have these in there. These are from Michaels. They got lots of sparkle in them too, as well as the mirror glass I get from Michaels. And then I also used this glitter. I'm not sure if I got it from Michaels or from Walmart, one of the two. But it looks so pretty. I love with all the crystals, or not crystals, but the gems and the mirror glass. It looks so pretty on there. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm going to put this one out Christmas Day. Pink's all ready for Christmas. She's in her little Christmas dress. Just a little extra bonus one for the week. I hope everybody's having a happy or very Merry Christmas. And I wish everybody a amazing, fabulous New Year. I hope everything works out for you in the best way possible. Everybody is successful, healthy. I hope everybody has an amazing new year. I do thank you guys for watching. I'm almost to 800 subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. If you're new, please subscribe. It's free to you. It helps my channel out tremendously. And if you're returning, I love you guys so much. You guys are amazing supporters. I appreciate you guys more than you'll ever know. Your comments are amazing. They mean so much to me. I love them. They just make me happy. But I do thank everybody for watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.